47, a radioactive isotope has a half-life T years, the time after which its activity is reduced to 6.25% of its original activity is. Okay, so we have to solve this using a formula here. N is equal to, okay, so N is equal to N naught by 2 whole raised to T divided by capital letter T. When we substitute the values and calculate the value of time here, it is equal to 4 times the capital letter. The time after which the activity gets reduced to 6.25% of its original activity is, it is equal to 4t years here. So option 3 will be the right answer for this one. Next one, question number 48. The masses MA and MB and spring constants Ka and Kb are of two quantum oscillators A and B. This satisfies MA is equal to 2 times MB, Ka is equal to 2 times Kb if EA and EB are the ground state energies of A and B. So the spring constants we are going to consider as Ka and Kb here. Okay, when we solve this, we can get EA is equal to 2 times EB. Just take the screenshot and later you can write it down clearly. Okay, so the correct answer for this one is EA is equal to 2 EB, that is in the third option given here. Next one, question number 49. The electrical entity inductance can be compared to the mechanical entity. It is nothing but the inertia. We can compare the electrical entity inductance. Inductance can be compared to the mechanical entity inertia here. So option number 1 will be the right answer for this one. Next, the last question. The audio signal is changed into corresponding electrical signal using a, okay, so it is converted into electrical signal using the loudspeaker here. Okay, so fourth one will be the right answer for this one. So these are the 50 questions of physics asked in the 2012 Hstr PM method paper. Remaining 50 are of maths. So this completes the physics solutions here.